Well, hello there everyone and welcome to my kitchen. I'm so glad that you're joining me today because I'm making a Fiesta lime chicken. I'm so excited to share this recipe with you. It's so delicious. So hang with me because it's that time to get cooking. All right, so I have 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, but first I want to show you the rub that we're going to use to marinate the chicken. I have 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and chili powder, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. All right, I am going to zest 1 lime. All right, and then I'm going to juice the juice of the lime. We're just looking for about a tablespoon. Give this a mix. So you can cook your chicken a variety of ways. You can do it on the grill. You could do it on a grill pan on top of your stove. I am actually going to cook my chicken in a cast iron skillet. And I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil to the bottom of my skillet. All right, so my chicken has been marinating in this delicious rub that I made for about an hour. So I am now going to place it in my skillet. And my skillet's nice and hot. You want to cook your chicken on a medium-low heat. So while my chicken is cooking, I'm going to make an avocado salsa to go on top. All right, so about a 1/4 of a cup of chopped, diced red onion. All right, then I'm going to take some grape tomatoes. All right, so maybe about 1/2 cup of the chopped grape tomatoes. All right, then going to cut into my avocado. I'm going to make slices. Well, I'm actually going to dice this just like this. And I'm going to take a spoon and add it to my tomatoes and onions. My lime here that I use for my marinade. So I'm going to just finish juicing it. All right, then I'm going to add some salt and black pepper. I'm going to give this a stir. And then the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to chop some cilantro. All right, so I've cooked my chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. But what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pop it in the oven. It's a 350-degree oven for maybe 10 minutes. I just want to make sure that that chicken is cooked all the way through. All right, I'm going to see what the temperature is here. All right, it's at 165, so it is done. So the chicken is done. Now I'm going to put the avocado salsa on top. All right, so it is my favorite time. It is time to eat. And I'm serving this alongside of my cheesy Southwest corn casserole. Now this video is the one that came out just before this Fiesta lime chicken. You'll want to go check it out. But yeah, I'm so excited to dig in today. Oh yeah. That is amazing. It is so delicious. There's some sweetness to it, some spice. Oh, and that avocado salsa on top brings some freshness. It's just delicious. I hope that you give it a try. Well, thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.